The first and most important part in creating videos that actually get views is coming up with the video's idea. It's what this guy, or even this guy spend the most time on when coming up with videos. But somehow most people think that the algorithm just hates them, or that there's some magical setting on Instagram that people are using to go viral. Reality is if you make good content, you will get good results. Simple as that. But you know what does make a good video? It's the idea, the scripting, and editing process. Like those three things let me grow my Instagram account to 3,000 followers, get a Discord server to 1,000 people within a month, and get about 300,000 views on this channel. And short form views, we're still figuring out long form content. But with all this growth recently, it actually made me burn out. Like my last few videos suck, barely breaking 5k views on Insta, which is terrible compared to my other videos. And I realize it's because my ideas just haven't been good recently. So I took a break to reset my mind, and then I came up with a strategy to almost guarantee viral video ideas every single time. Let's say you have a list of 100 video ideas. There's a big chance that only one, if not any of those video ideas are actually good. So I needed to find a way to filter good ideas from bad ideas, and stay with me here because I'm gonna show you how to do just that. It starts with understanding any idea isn't necessarily bad. Think about it. 5 years ago, you could get away with the top 3 exercises to build your chest as a video idea. But that idea has been rinsed and repeated so much that if you made that video today, it would probably get like 100 views. Luckily though, you can get around this, and it's pretty sick how you do it. And let's get back to me trying to find the perfect video idea. I started off by using the tool Sort TikTok that's linked in the description. It's completely free, and I looked at some of the biggest creators on TikTok with that tool. But I specifically didn't look at any creator in the content creation niche, which is my niche. Again, if we're trying to find a video that hasn't been used in my niche, I have to look outside the box. And moving on to the second step in the strategy, I was looking for videos that are becoming viral, not that they're already viral. This is very important when trying to get a good idea, and hear it straight from the CEO of Instagram why this is so important.
When you're evaluating how something you post on Instagram does, make sure you keep track of how it's doing, not only over the first 2 days, but over the first week or two. Now, it's true most things you post are going to get most of their reach in, let's call it 2 days, but some things are more evergreen in nature. What's funny today might be funny in a week or 2 weeks.
And with that framework in mind, I stumbled across something really interesting with a lot of potential. There's a group of kids on social media right now blowing up trying to become millionaires at 13. This completely grabbed my attention because look, the video idea of trying to become a millionaire at 13 has been done by thousands of kids with only a couple going viral, meaning it violates the rinse and repeat rule. But what if I took the attention of the people who have seen these videos and showed it back to them but in a different way? So I started looking into these videos, seeing how I can turn this into my own video idea with crazy potential, and then I got it. If you look at every single kid's comment section, they're filled with hate comments. And if you know anything about the algorithm, if you get high watch time and high amounts of engagement, meaning comments, you will get views. So with that idea in mind, here's what I came up with. Millionaire kids tricking their viewers into commenting on their posts. Then I scripted the video out, then edited the video, and then finally posted it to Insta. Now, is this video going to get views? I don't know. But before I show you the results, here's the base framework that you can steal. Step 1, factor video ideas by avoiding overused content in your niche and instead look outside your niche. Step 2, find current trends and videos that are going viral outside of your niche. Step 3, get creative and take that video idea and use it in a completely different way. So I think it's about time that I actually show you the results so you can see if this is actually worth your time. After 1 week of that video being uploaded, it got 400,000 views and 10,000 likes on Instagram. Did this method work? Let me know in the comments. But if you have any questions or just want to network with people, that Discord I mentioned earlier is in the description. So go check it out or don't. I don't really care.